Tomato ketchup is a sweet and tangy condiment made from tomatoes, sugar, and vinegar, with seasonings and spices. The spices and flavors vary, but commonly include onions, allspice, coriander, cloves, cumin, garlic, and mustard, and sometimes include celery, cinnamon, or ginger. In the 17th century, the Chinese mixed pickled fish and spices and called it koa-chiop or ke-chiop, meaning the brine of pickled fish or shellfish, not shellfish. By the early 18th century, the table sauce had arrived in the Malay states. It is the present day of Malaysia and Singapore, where English colonists first tasted it. The Malaysian Malay word for the sauce was ki-cap or ketchup. That word evolved into the English word, ketchup. The term catchup was used in 1690 in the Dictionary of the Canteen Crew. The spelling, catchup, may have also been used in the past. James Mees published another recipe in 1812. In 1824, a ketchup recipe using tomatoes appeared in The Virginia Housewife. This is an influential 19th-century cookbook written by Mary Randolph, Thomas Jefferson's cousin. American cooks also began to sweeten ketchup in the 19th century. Tomato ketchup was sold locally by farmers. Jonas Yerkes is credited as the first American to sell tomato ketchup in a bottle. By 1837, he had produced and distributed the condiment nationally. Shortly thereafter, other companies followed suit. F&J. Heinz launched their tomato ketchup in 1876. As the century progressed, tomato ketchup began its ascent in popularity in the United States. Ketchup was popular long before fresh tomatoes were. People were less hesitant to eat tomatoes as part of a highly processed product that had been cooked and infused with vinegar and spices. So, we will just have to wait and see and taste.